Well, good morning, everyone. We've got a new little thing here to saw up for a friend of mine that I used to work with. He's got some oak logs here. They've been down for about a year and a half. He cleared a spot and they're building the house, and these logs here came off of it. I almost saw a mantel out of this short one here, and then probably I saw a mantel out of the center of one of these other ones for him, and the rest of it's going to be lumber, just one by lumber. I think he's going to have a gun cabinet, maybe a couple of gun cabinets or something like that built out of it. But we're going to get everything moved around up here today to start on that for him, get that sawed up. We'll put it right back on the trailer for him, and we'll get going here in just a little bit. Well, here we go. Here's the first cut here. We're going to saw this, probably get a few boards out of it, and we'll try to get a mantel out of it. This here has been cut, been down for about a year and a half. And I'm sawing it for a friend. His name's Jerry Bills. Some of you watching will know him. He owns such a machine shop, and he is putting this in a house. This is going to be a mantel right here, and these here I cut them to where they could use them for the little 90s on the bottom to set it on. So there's enough of these here for two. I'm gonna saw a long mantel out of one of them long ones, and we're gonna blow it off here and look at it. This is like I say, it's been down I think for about 18 months roughly.
What kind of wood is it?
It's red oak.
Red oak?
Yep, it's red oak. We'll blow it off here. There. We'll put a little water on here, just see what it's going to look like, what the grain's going to look like. Well, it's going to be beautiful.
Oh boy, that's going to be pretty.
It's going to be a beautiful mantel with this, even with that in it. That's
Put that on there.
huh?
Put.
Yeah, it's got a seam in it there to where it split it. Oh yeah, that'd be beautiful.
Wow, that's pretty. Yeah.
Take a picture of that and we can send it to Jerry.
Okay. It's gonna be so pretty. Ooh, it's cold.
Is this for the same order? Is this for Jerry?
Yeah, this is all for Jerry.
Okay.
He's gonna build we're gonna put a couple mantles up. Yeah, I think if Paul's gonna build him some young cabinets and stuff with it too. These were all trees that come off his ground.
So this all came off his property?
Yeah.
Where he's building?
Yep.
this is mantle number 2. So we look what the see what the
Mantle
grain looks
number
like.
2. Let's blow it off and then we'll put a little water on it.
Okay.
Well, I think that's gonna look pretty nice. These mantles are sawed. I sawed them 4 3/4 inches thick by 10 inches wide. That way, if they wanna plane them down a little bit, they can still plane a little bit and be 4 1/2 inches or so, and still get a good size mantle.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Look at this. The grain and the knots in it look really, really good. Look at that. That's what it's gonna show.
This is a different log, but it's got that same pattern.
Yeah, it's just a limb that growed in it.
Yep.
Well, we got her done, Jerry. Do your little video here and I'm gonna send it to you. There's your mantles here to the left, one of them. Another one right here at the bottom. All this is 1x. It's you got plenty to build out of. These top boards here, this last one, like 12 1/2 inches wide. That red oak is pretty. I'll send you this video here. Some of it looks like it's quarter sawn, the way the grain is. So